If you think you've seen everything FESTOOL has to offer this year, think again, because now we'll be showing you 20 of their newest tools and innovations for 2026 that every professional should know about. Kicking things off is the cordless planer HLC82, a tool designed to make surface preparation faster while delivering a noticeably cleaner finish. Instead of relying on conventional straight blades, it features a single spiral cutter with a pulling cut action that slices through wood fibers at an angle, leaving behind a much smoother surface that requires far less sanding afterward. Power comes from a high-efficiency brushless EC Tech motor that maintains consistent performance even when removing material at depths of up to 2.5 millimeters. For added versatility, the base includes 3 integrated V-grooves that allow you to create precise chamfers without switching accessories. Combined with its lightweight cordless design, the HLC82 streamlines the entire planing process into one smooth, controlled operation. Even after dust extraction is complete, countless fine particles can remain suspended in the air, and that's exactly where the SYS-AIR air purifier steps in. Housed inside a compact SYS-Stainer style enclosure, it continuously circulates air through a highly efficient 2-stage filtration system, featuring a HEPA filter that captures even microscopic airborne dust. Capable of refreshing the air multiple times per hour in larger rooms, it creates a noticeably cleaner environment during sanding, painting, and finishing work. Quiet operation ensures it can run throughout the workday without becoming a distraction, making it a valuable addition for anyone looking to improve both workplace cleanliness and overall air quality.
Although they're often overlooked, the right filters and filter bags play a critical role in maintaining the performance of any dust extraction system. FESTOOL offers several options tailored to different working environments, ensuring maximum efficiency regardless of the material being collected. Long-life filter bags provide a reusable solution for larger debris, while self-clean bags are specifically engineered to prevent clogging when collecting fine dust. HEPA filters capture microscopic airborne particles for cleaner air, and dedicated wet filters make liquid extraction possible when needed. Choosing the proper combination helps maintain strong airflow, reliable suction, and consistent extractor performance over time.
Long hours of overhead sanding can quickly take a toll on your body, and that's exactly the problem the TG-LHS 225 carrying harness is designed to solve. Engineered specifically for long-reach sanders, it redistributes the tool's weight across your shoulders and back, significantly reducing strain on your arms during extended use. This balanced support not only minimizes fatigue, but also improves stability and control, allowing you to maintain better precision throughout the job. Whether you're finishing ceilings or large wall surfaces, the harness helps you work longer and more comfortably without sacrificing accuracy. The ETSC2 cordless eccentric sanders are built to improve finishing quality by helping you spot imperfections before they become a problem. A built-in LED light ring casts even illumination directly across the work surface, making scratches, uneven spots, and sanding marks immediately visible as you work. Its compact, low-profile body naturally improves balance and control, allowing for greater precision during detailed sanding tasks. Reduced vibration minimizes fatigue over longer sessions, making the tool more comfortable to use without sacrificing performance. The result is a smoother, more consistent finish with less need for rework, making every sanding pass count. Designed with precision woodworking in mind, the updated OF1010R router brings greater stability and control to detailed routing applications. Its reinforced dual-column clamping system minimizes unwanted movement, giving the tool a noticeably more rigid feel during operation. An integrated LED light keeps the cutting area clearly illuminated, making it easier to follow layouts and achieve cleaner results even in dimly lit environments. Fine depth adjustment allows for highly accurate routing with minimal effort, making it an excellent choice for intricate joinery, edge profiling, and decorative finishing work where precision is essential. Good lighting can make the difference between an average finish and a flawless one, and the SYSLITE KBS C is built with exactly that purpose in mind. Producing an impressive 5,000 lumens with a daylight light color temperature, it reveals surface imperfections that ordinary work lights often miss, making it ideal for painting, drywall finishing, and detailed installation work. Its versatile mounting options allow it to be attached magnetically, suspended, placed on a tripod, or positioned directly on the ground, while the adjustable head lets you direct light exactly where it's needed. Wrapped in a durable housing built for demanding job sites, this construction light delivers dependable illumination wherever precision matters most. Standing out as one of FESTOOL's most innovative solutions, the XO18 Exoskeleton is built to reduce the physical demands of overhead work. Worn comfortably like a backpack, it uses an 18-volt battery-powered support system to actively assist arm movement, taking much of the strain off your shoulders during repetitive tasks. Multiple assistance levels let you tailor the amount of support to suit different applications, helping improve both endurance and precision throughout the workday. By reducing fatigue without restricting movement, the XO18 allows professionals to tackle demanding overhead projects with greater comfort and control. For professionals who require greater capacity without compromising intelligence, FESTOOL's updated CT26, 36, and 48 EI-AC dust extractors introduce a more connected approach to dust management. Alongside modern touch controls and built-in Bluetooth connectivity, these extractors work seamlessly with compatible tools to automate operation and improve efficiency. Through the FESTOOL app, users can fine-tune the auto-clean system based on the type of material being collected, helping maintain strong, consistent suction without frequent interruptions. Available in 3 different container sizes, each model offers the flexibility to match various workshop or job site requirements, delivering reliable performance while adapting effortlessly to different workloads.
A dust extractor is only as effective as the accessories connected to it, and FESTOOL's range of hoses and cleaning sets is designed to maximize that performance. Available in multiple diameters, each hose is suited to different applications, with larger options handling heavy debris more efficiently and slimmer versions offering greater flexibility for detailed work. Anti-static construction reduces dust buildup inside the hose while minimizing annoying static discharge during operation. To further expand versatility, specialized cleaning kits include a variety of attachments that make it easy to clean floors, workbenches, machinery, and hard-to-reach corners, turning the extractor into a complete cleanup solution.
When portability is just as important as performance, the CT MIDI IA-AC mobile dust extractor delivers an ideal balance of both. Designed for service work and on-site installations in mind, this compact unit is easy to carry and fits comfortably into tight workspaces without sacrificing capability. Its intuitive touch controls remain responsive even while wearing gloves, while integrated Bluetooth automatically activates the extractor the moment a compatible cordless tool starts running. A thoughtfully integrated hose storage compartment keeps everything organized during transport, reducing setup time on every job. Despite its compact footprint, it provides dependable dust extraction that keeps your workspace cleaner and your workflow uninterrupted from start to finish.
No matter how powerful a saw may be, the quality of the cut ultimately depends on the blade, and FESTOOL has engineered its saw blades to deliver exceptional performance across a variety of materials. Carefully optimized tooth geometries and ultra-thin kerfs reduce cutting resistance, allowing the saw to work more efficiently while extending battery runtime on cordless models. Each blade is designed with a specific application in mind, whether it's hardwood, sheet goods, laminates, or composite materials, ensuring cleaner cuts with minimal tear-out. The result is greater precision, smoother finishes, and improved overall efficiency without placing unnecessary strain on the tool. Precision cutting becomes far more achievable with FESTOOL's guide rail system, a solution designed to transform handheld power tools into highly accurate cutting machines. The rigid rail keeps every cut perfectly straight, while the integrated splinter guard minimizes tear out to produce crisp, clean edges on a wide range of materials. Its modular design supports accessories like connectors, clamps, and angle stops, making everything from long rip cuts to complex angled work significantly easier to execute. By reducing measurement errors and material waste, the guide rail system not only improves accuracy, but also speeds up the entire cutting process.
Don't let their compact size fool you. The CXS and TXS-12 cordless drills deliver the kind of performance you'd expect from much larger tools. Powered by efficient brushless motors, they provide impressive torque while remaining lightweight enough for all-day use. Their slim profiles make working in confined spaces significantly easier, and with 2 ergonomic designs available, users can choose the grip that best suits their working style. Compatibility with a wide range of attachments further expands their capabilities, making these drills equally effective for installation work, cabinetry, furniture assembly, and precision drilling tasks where control matters most. Designed for professionals who need a practical workstation on the move, the SYS-M Media MTF Tabletop Sustainer transforms almost any flat surface into a compact workstation. Its durable tabletop features multiple integrated clamping points, allowing materials to be secured quickly for cutting, sanding, or assembly. Despite its portable size, it's built to withstand demanding daily use while remaining easy to transport alongside the rest of your sustainer system. Whether you're working on-site or in a space where a full workbench isn't practical, it provides a stable and highly functional surface without adding unnecessary bulk. A reliable workspace is just as important as the tools you use, and the MTF3 is designed to be exactly that. Built as an all-in-one workstation, it combines a sturdy perforated surface with integrated guide rail compatibility to support accurate cutting, sanding, assembly, and clamping tasks. Its versatile layout allows you to secure materials quickly while maintaining repeatable precision across multiple projects. Foldable legs make transportation effortless, and adjustable leveling ensures a stable setup even on uneven ground. Whether you're working in a professional workshop or on site, the MTF3 provides a dependable platform that adapts to virtually any task. For woodworkers looking to achieve greater consistency and precision, the CMS router table offers a dependable solution that enhances both accuracy and efficiency. Its guided routing system provides excellent control, making intricate cuts smoother and more repeatable than freehand routing alone. Integrated dust extraction keeps chips and debris under control throughout the job, maintaining a cleaner workspace and improving visibility around the cutter. Reduced vibration also contributes to better handling and operator comfort, allowing you to focus on producing clean, professional quality results even during extended routing sessions. Precision, power, and safety come together in the TSC55 track saw, making it one of FESTOOL's most capable cordless cutting solutions. Delivering strong torque for fast, effortless cutting, it handles everything from sheet materials to solid timber with impressive accuracy. The integrated kickback stop provides an extra layer of protection by helping prevent sudden backward movement during demanding cuts, while efficient dust extraction keeps the cutting line clear for better visibility. Paired with FESTOOL's guide rail system, the TSC55 consistently delivers straight, splinter-free cuts that require little to no finishing afterward. Wrapping up the lineup is the SYS-Rolled Dolly, a transport solution designed to make moving heavy tool collections far less demanding. Built with a rugged frame and smooth rolling wheels, it effortlessly carries stacked sustainers across workshops, construction sites, and uneven surfaces. Its thoughtful design also improves maneuverability when navigating stairs or tight spaces, helping reduce the effort involved in transporting equipment throughout the day. By keeping your tools secure, organized, and easy to move, the SYS-Rolled Dolly adds another layer of efficiency to FESTOOL's connected workflow. For drywall finishing and surface preparation, the LHS 2M225 EQ Planex sander offers a balanced combination of comfort and performance. Its fixed-length design keeps the tool well balanced, making it easier to maneuver across walls and ceilings while maintaining consistent pressure. The random orbit sanding action effectively eliminates swirl marks, leaving behind an even surface that's ready for painting or finishing. Adjustable suction works alongside compatible dust extractors to reduce the effort required to support the tool, allowing smoother movement and improved control throughout extended sanding sessions.
So, that was our look at 20 FESTOOL tools and accessories for 2026. Whether you're upgrading your workshop or investing in equipment that delivers greater precision, efficiency, and reliability, this lineup proves that the right tools can make every project smoother from start to finish.